హలో. ఇప్పుడు వాయిస్ ఆడిబుల్ ఉందనుకుంటా మీ అందరికీ. అండ్ లైక్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంతవరకు మీరు ఎవరు కూడా వ్యాక్సినేషన్ తీసుకోకపోతే లైక్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ బ్లడ్ టు ఎమర్జెన్సీ కేసెస్లో ఉన్న మీ చుట్టుపక్కల కానివ్వండి. లేదు అంటే లైక్ కొంతమంది వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు మా బ్లడ్ డోనర్స్ లైఫ్ సేవర్స్ పేజ్ లాగే ఎంతోమంది వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు బ్లడ్కి సంబంధించి. మీరు అందరూ కూడా లైక్ ఎమర్జెన్సీ కేసెస్లో ఉన్న రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ మనకు రావడం జరుగుతుంది. మీరందరూ కూడా అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మీరు ప్లీజ్ బ్లడ్ డొనేట్ చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాను. అండ్ మీ చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న ఎవరైతే కోవిడ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ కానివ్వండి, లేదు అంటే లైక్ డైలీ వేజెస్ కానివ్వండి, ఎవరికైతే పనులు లేక బాధపడుతున్నారో, లైక్ గ్రాసరీస్ కానివ్వండి, అన్నీ కూడా నీడీ ఉన్న పొజిషన్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు మీరందరూ లైక్ మీతో అయిన సహాయ సహకారాలు వాళ్ళకు చేయవలసిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. అండ్ మనకు ఈరోజు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ అయితే రావడం జరిగింది నిర్మల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నుంచి. లైక్ కోవిడ్ వచ్చి వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అయితే చనిపోవడం జరిగింది. అండ్ వాళ్ళు లైక్ ఒక అమ్మాయి వచ్చేసి 7 to 8 years ఉంటుంది అమ్మాయి. అండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంకొక అమ్మాయి ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో తను 15 years ఉంది. షీ ఈజ్ అన్ మెంటలీ డిసేబుల్డ్ పర్సన్ తను. మీరందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళకి ఏమన్నా డొనేట్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ప్లీజ్ యూ కెన్ డొనేట్ ఆన్ అవర్ గూగుల్ పే 9490226908. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ యూ కెన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అమౌంట్ ఫ్రమ్ డైరెక్ట్ యువర్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్. అన్నీ కూడా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ పోస్ట్లో షేర్ అయి ఉన్నాయి. ప్లీజ్ మీరు వెళ్ళి చూడండి. మీకు తోచినటువంటి లైక్ సింగిల్ రూపీ అయినా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వాళ్ళకున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో. ప్లీజ్ మీరు ఎవరైనా ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ప్లీజ్ యూ కెన్ హెల్ప్ దెమ్. అండ్ సాయి కిరణ్ 18 గౌడ్ జాయిన్డ్. సాయి 3300 హాయ్ సాయి. సెలబ్రిటీ అవేర్నెస్ ఛాలెంజ్లో భాగంగా ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు ఒక గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ అయితే రావడం జరిగింది. షీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో లైక్ ఒక ఎంటర్ప్రెనర్, అదేవిధంగా ఒక సోషల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ట్. అదే కాకుండా షీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో అన్ లీడర్. అండ్ నేను తనని మనతో పాటు గెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ వచ్చేసి అల్కా మనోజ్, ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డిజైనర్, అదేవిధంగా తెలంగాణ బీజేపీ తెలంగాణ వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ మహిళా మోర్చా. తను ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు లైవ్లో జాయిన్ అవబోతున్నారు. అండ్ ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు యాడ్ హర్. Trying to add her. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Very good evening.
Yeah, you can hold camera in like
Viewers? Like that you mean?
yeah.
Okay.
And
okay.
thank you for joining with us.
1 second. Okay. Is this fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
And she is our guest of honor, Alka Manoj, international designer, and she is a BJP Telangana Vice President of Mahila Morcha,
Minority Morcha.
Minority Morcha. Okay, right, right.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you for joining with us, and it's a wonderful evening. And we are conducting celebrity awareness campaign for, for the people, build confidence, and to motivate from our side. Because we are seeing every case is like a critical case. They are going, they are having a lot of deaths about.
Yes.
To cure this panic situation, this may this live can help the patients to recover from your motivation. And thank you so much for joining with us. And
My pleasure to be the part of it.
yeah, okay. And we have a lot of questions from the viewers, and we have
Okay.
sorted questions and prepared some questions to you. And
Okay.
we have seen a lot of change apart from like COVID 1 to COVID 2. The now COVID 2 is like we are seeing the death rate is also high, and the recovery rate is also
Yes.
high. It's
Uh,
majorly in the young
yes.
people.
Yeah.
And now we are seeing COVID 3. We find out some of this in Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh also. And COVID 3 is mainly affecting the people like children only, because
Yes.
yeah,
Absolutely. Third
and
wave is affecting the kids.
yeah, and I have a question to over you, like how to take care of the children in this panic situation, like if the parents are also affected with COVID, and now we are seeing like the COVID is also came, and how to take care of the children, and they won't have like the mental ability to understand about corona or everything else. How to take care of children? What is the valuable suggestions to every parents who are having a kids?
Yeah. For children's, basically, for them, the most important thing is give them double mask. That is very, very important. And make them habituated to keep washing their hand, who can understand. But I have seen, even the born babies are getting infected and all. For them, only mother has to take care. So mother has to be very, very careful. She should not get exposed and she should not get infected. She has to take care of herself. But here, if little the babies are big, like 1 year, 2 years, then again that is also again mother's duty only to take care of that baby, and they should not allow their kids at any cost to go out of the house. That is the best solution, as the virus is there even in the air. It's not that if you go and meet somebody then only it will happen. It's there in the out air. So if you just going out without mask, any moment it can catch you without mask, and it
Oh,
goes through mouth, nose, eyes, ear. So they have to be really very careful. And now single mask also is not working, so double mask. They can wear one surgical mask and one N95. If they are not comfortable, they can wear one cloth and one surgical. Two mask is very much important, and they should give proper protein diet to their children. That is very, very important. Protein diet.
okay.
Yeah.
And now doctors are suggesting to the parents who have their children to take vaccination, because if the children are affected with COVID, they have to be on the ventilator. The parents have to take vaccination. And what is your suggestion to the parents? Like they have to take vaccination. They are like there are a negative rumors of vaccination. If we take vaccination, we are affected. There are such negative rumors around on social media or else on nearby people, everything else. What is your suggestion about the vaccination to everyone?
No, vaccination is very, very important for each and every person. So every person has to take the vaccine. That is very, very important. So we are promoting day and night. We are even going to the centers and just doing the checkings also, how they are doing and all. So I request each and every person from 18 years, take the vaccine, register yourself, then book your slot and go ahead and take it.
Okay.
With Covishield, slight somebody is getting fever and body pain. That's it. That is for 1 or 2 days. But that gives them good immunity power. And the difference between who has not taken the vaccine and who has taken the vaccine, their lungs after that also, if they get infected, then there is a chances of very little infection in the lungs.
Okay.
But who has not taken the vaccine, for them, it's just, within a day, within 2 days, it's getting, badly infected and people are just getting collapsed, they're just dying. So vaccine only can protect us. And
Okay.
then it all depends on the person's body.
Okay.
But vaccine is very important.
Have you taken vaccination?
For me, I could not book my slot. So maybe by tomorrow or day after, I'll be going to take the
Okay.
vaccine. Because
And
they're giving now the second dose. They are not giving first dose. So when my age started, I could not get. So let them finish the second dose because that is more important, the elder people.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah. So we have to give priority to the our elders.
yeah.
That's the reason I waited. So maybe by tomorrow or day after, I'll go ahead and take it. But in my family, entire other people have taken, all the elder people have taken, and known to me, everybody has taken, all the elders. I have arranged for them and I have got them vaccinated.
It's a good thing. And now we are
Yeah.
seeing uh, if the children are affected with COVID, the
Yeah.
parents are and they are getting a panic with these children. Uh, like they have to give more motivation to the affected persons, but the parents are only getting panic and they are also getting like heart attacks and everything else. They are also losing their lives. What is your suggestion to the elder people?
No, that should not happen because they are the one who is going to take care of their children, who will stand with them. If they will only, faint, then how the children can recover? Children cannot recover if they will faint. So I request all the parents, take care of yourself first. Eat good food and all the immunity boosters you take good amount of protein and the mostly how like I'm working with few doctors also, so I believe more in Ayurveda. Our country is really blessed with Ayurveda. So Ayushman Bharat ka kadha is there, so I take morning and evening, 1 cup
Okay,
in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, and it's very easy. It's only 1 spoon we have to mix into the water, boil it, and a little jaggery drink, and 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, raw garlic. I crush it and eat off. That protects me from all kinds of flu. So whatever we need, it's there in our kitchen only. Black pepper, that helps us. If we can make sambar and drink sambar, that also will protect us because sambar has all the spices. And even the ginger tea, that also helps us a lot. So,
okay.
and in that kadha, ginger is there, tulsi is there. So all these things only main protects us all the time, gives us good immunity power. So I suggest all the parents to protect themselves first. If they are protected, they can take care of their children, and if they are not going out, their children will not be infected. That is the main thing. And do not lose hope. Our doctors are working, our scientists are working even for their vaccine to come, and soon it will be out for vaccine for the children's also. So do not lose your hope. Don't get so panic. My children has got it. No, you have to take care of that children. So you have to be strong. And if you eat well, you don't go and meet anybody else, you maintain your distance and all, nothing will happen to you.
Okay. And now we are seeing that if a family is affected with COVID, the nearby people or just like apartment people, everyone are avoiding them, and they are seeing like they are regretting them from the society. What is your suggestion to everyone, uh, people?
That's again, I will say, it's wrong. They should not behave with them like that. Of course, if we go near to them, that virus will attack us. It will come on us, and it's not only on our mouth and eyes, it's anywhere on the body it comes. So that's the reason, we have made our habit. The moment we go out, because I'm a leader, so I have to go out in the public. So once I go out and come back, I take head bath. So wherever it is there on hair or anywhere, it will just it will just go out, because I'll use the shampoo, I'll use the soap, so it will go out. So I request building people, don't meet them, but do not, behave with them. They are untouchable. Don't behave like that, but keep sanitizing their building every day. Their lift is the most important thing, because we do not know who went into the lift and who has sneezed, who has coughed there. So lift is the most important thing. And who is infected, I request them to be at home, don't come out. If they will come out, whomsoever they will meet, they'll get infected. So they have to take care of themselves, and it's their responsibility. Because of them, nobody else should be infected. And they should tell to their neighbor, I am infected, so don't come near to my door. They should tell that. They should not hide it. So many people are hiding. That is not good. And nobody should look them down. Anybody can get infected. So we have to give them moral support to overcome. No, you'll be all right. You take this diet, you do this, you do that. They'll be all right. But sanitization is very important, and disinfectant that has to be sprayed, in the whole building, whole apartment. So those things are very, very important things.
Okay. And now in this COVID situation, like 24 by 7, the NGO volunteers are working around 24 by 7, and they are fulfilling the needs for the needy people, like food or else groceries or else oxygen
Yeah.
cylinders or oxygen concentrators. And what are your safety measures to them, and how to how to take a safety measures, because if they are affected with anything, if they take any safety
Yeah.
measures, or I won't say like they affected with anything, uh, we lose the front warriors. And what are the
Yes,
safety
yes.
to every volunteer who are working front warriors?
Yeah, that's the reason, they have to be extremely careful. Before they go, they have to take shower, and one band is coming, which will cover our nose like this, ear and everything. They should wear that. Or if they don't have that, they can wear double mask, face shield. Face shield is very important for them. And double mask also inside is very important. And hand gloves. Without hand gloves, they should not go out.
Gotcha.
And they have to carry sanitizer bottle with them, so that though they are wearing the hand gloves, they have to keep sanitizing, because if they have touched anywhere or anybody who is positive, that virus is there. So if this in a same hand, if they're just taking the other packet and giving to another person, they might get infected. So,
Okay.
to avoid all these things, they have to keep sanitizing even on the gloves. That is very, very important. And after that, the maintaining distance is the most important thing now. Earlier, we had only, 2 feet distance maintaining. Now, because the virus is triple mutation, so we have to maintain 10 feet.
Okay.
They should not when they are giving the food, they should not stand and wait with them. Give and move, give and move. And once they're back from their work, when they're sitting in the car, they should again spray sanitizer in their car on the seats. Then the moment they are back, they should put their hand gloves in the polythene cover, and that they should tie it before they enter into their home, so that nothing from that can come into their home. And
Okay.
before they come to their home, they can just put into the dustbin and come in, and then immediately, without taking bath, I request them not to sit anywhere in their house. The moment they enter, they should take bath with hot water, uh, with head bath. So,
Okay.
that's the best way to protect themselves. And before they go, they have to have 1 cup of kadha. And the moment they come back, they should have 1 cup of kadha. So, by mistake, with any chance, any virus has gone, it will flush out. So,
Okay.
these safety measures are very, very important, because these frontline warriors are very important. We don't want to lose them.
Okay. And your motivation message will be the last of this video, last of the live. And if you have any questions to ask me,
Yeah, I would like to ask you, uh, what did you think starting this blood donation camp?
what did you?
Why did you start this blood donation camps and all?
Okay,
Thinking what
why?
you started.
Yeah, just I normally started I have seen a lot lack of requirements over the blood. We see
Okay.
like there are emergency cases coming around like in WhatsApp, in Facebook, or anything in like social media. Everyone is sharing that one, and we have also like left a site for these blood donations especially, and we are working on social media as well as our site also. Everyone can register on our site also, like the website is www.blooddonorslifesavers.org. Everyone can register this as a donor, and if you have the requirement you can also post on the site. We have a team, and we will fulfill your requirement, and we have a donor database also. And there are if 3.14% of the young people who are donating, who will donate the blood, there is like no need of the requirements in India will be fulfilled. And we see like there are many people for children like thalassemia need the blood in emergency. For that
Yes, that is. Yeah.
for that lack
You,
of
you-
this one, I have created I have started a blood donors lifesavers.
so it is charged, or you're just doing free of cost just to serve the society?
No, no, it's a free of society, free of work we are doing. There is no charge
Okay.
from, not any kind of charge from our side. Like
Okay.
we are mediators for the donor, and we are the mediators for the requirements. We fulfill the requirements from our donor.
Oh, that's really nice. So do you have team working for it, or you just few people are doing it?
No, we have a team, and we have 10 volunteers. Like they are active volunteers, and we have a
Okay.
team like separate districts, and we are doing our services all in pan India. Some we get cases from Pune, some we get cases from Lucknow, and we are collaborating with different organizations, NGOs who are nearby them. And we have a team like in team from different states, different cities also. They are working all by 7. And the main we have 10 volunteers who are working actively, and we are giving them a stipend for them.
Okay. So how do you send the blood from here to out of station? I never heard of it.
We won't send any blood. We will arrange a donor if we got a request
Okay,
from
you
Lucknow.
arrange the donor. Okay, okay, that's really awesome.
We will arrange a donor from that city.
That's really great. That's a very good job which you're doing it. Definitely, the moment I open my WhatsApp in the when my day starts, I just keep seeing, this blood group is needed, that blood group is needed. People getting, so panic and all. So it's really very good work you're doing it. And then how you are running it? Somebody is there who is taking care of your expenses, or all of you are doing your own.
Nobody is there to take care of expenses. Just I only manage all the expenses from my side, and like now there is a critical situation. Like our business is also not going well, and we are looking for any donations from other side. And now I have taken care of everything for volunteers, study, and everything phone recharges, everything else. There is no support from that. Overall, I earned from my company. I spent this only.
Oh, that's a really very, very great job you are doing it. I really salute you for that.
Thank you,
But
thank you.
yeah, in this critical situation, you are helping so many people and everything, free of cost. That's really good, just like us, you're working. So we need really, young people for our nation to build new India. So we are really so proud of you, and we are so thankful to you. You have taken as a challenge to serve the nation, serve the people, and fulfill their needs, and everything is free. And I really thank to your volunteers who is helping you. I really thank them.
Thank you
Sorry.
much.
Yeah,
And yeah,
yeah. I just wanted to just wish you all the best, and what you're doing, keep doing it, because India need the young people, young dynamic people, and dynamic leaders like you. We really need you. So keep it up, and we are here with you all the time. The business is down for each and every person, even for us also, no business. So,
yeah.
it's like very tough for anybody to support anybody now. But in whichever way we are able to do, we are doing it. You know, for me at least, arranging the beds for the people, arranging the oxygen, arranging the injections and all, those are also, it's very critical. So those things
Yeah,
also able to arrange is, yeah, really good. So I really salute you the kind of work you're doing it, and we
and,
need you people. Yeah,
and
our
we
nation
are
needs you.
and we are also doing COVID beds. With we are dealing with COVID beds and oxygens and the plasmas, large, and we are now doing groceries to everyone, slum and daily workers, daily wage workers, everything else. And now we are raising some donations to the people of migrant workers in Adilabad. There are 100 of families. I have personally verified.
Wow.
It
Okay.
has been telecasted in HMTV also, and they need when I asked them, they said that they have not even taken a single meal from 3 days.
My God, it's so heartbreaking. It's so tough. I can just
Yeah,
understand that.
yeah, we are
Because,
raising some donations for them, for the families who are needing Adilabad migrants, and
okay.
now some request will come to us. We verify personally, and today we got a request from an old lady. She's like a 94, and
Okay.
uh, she has some daughter-in-law. Uh,
Okay.
uh, Mentally handicapped she is, and one is
Okay.
80 years old. She is in good conditions. The children has lost her parents in due to COVID, and her grandmother is taking care. They need help for groceries or something else. and they need help for her mentally disabled uh, uh, child who is like mentally disabled. She needs some medicines, and we are also doing some a little bit help from our side, and we are also raising some donations from themselves also.
Yeah, basically, all these things, state government has to take care of it. I don't know why they are not doing it. Even, last year I was just behind taking care of the migrant workers only. This time, I could not go out much because I also have to take care of myself. So from my home, I'm, helping whatever I can help, whichever way. So for the children's, on the 29th May, this 29th May, Modi ji has announced whichever children has lost their parents, for them, they will have free education. So I want people to know, today only I have released my video regarding that. So they can find the details about this complete on my YouTube channel, Alka Manoj. So there, all the details are there about this. And if anybody needs the help, they can connect to you. You can ask me, I can help. And
Yeah,
yeah, and any help you need for anything, from our side, like we can do it. We will definitely do it. We will stand with you because this is our country, and we all have to, hold each other's hand. Then only we can build our nation, and then only we can, take control of the situation. Otherwise, this is a very bad situation. Have never heard of this kind of situation, what we are seeing now. And the hospitals are not in good condition. So it's a very bad situation. So
yeah,
we all
yeah.
have to work together for our society. We have to do it.
Okay. Any questions? Like you have to ask any questions?
Yeah, I have asked you the questions, all the questions, and I, yeah, I would like to request you, when you're like your volunteers, when they are giving the blood, are you checking their normal norms of the COVID, or just like that
Yes.
you're taking the blood?
Yeah, we will verify everything else. We will we if we get a request from any person, like he need any so and so blood group, he is admitted in some hospital, we will talk with the hospital management. He is the still patient need any blood, or else who is the concerned doctor. Our team will verify everything else, and if the case is genuine, and we will arrange the donor. If we got any
Yeah,
like a doctor, arrange the donors.
that's good. That's good. That's really nice. And yeah, I would like to request public if they can support you in some manner, uh, because you're doing all by yourself. If they can support you, some company or some organization, if they can support you for the, at least for the groceries. Okay, blood is fine, but for the groceries and all, I request
Yeah.
the public to support you for that. And I request public to help you in every way, and whosoever needs the blood, reach to him. He is the first person who is working so hard without taking one penny, and he doesn't have any support and all. So it's really very great to have you.
Thank you so
It's
much. And
it's really
your mot-
awesome. It's really awesome.
your motivation, to everyone, like and your suggestions or else your mm, experience.
Yeah, I want to request each and every person, don't get panic. I have seen who is fearful, those people who is having lots of fear that if corona comes to me, what will happen? I will die. So those people are dying. So that should not happen. they have to keep motivating themselves, reading some, doing some exercise and all, and then watching some uh, good, spiritual series, spiritual messages. That helps a lot. Then watching some movie and all, some movies and all will not help us. Watching the spiritual messages and doing spiritual things, that gives us inner strength.
Okay.
That makes it strong from the inside. Yes, nothing will happen to us because God is there with us. So, and we have to take care of all the safety norms. This much also, do not do mistake. Don't go near to anybody. Do not allow anybody to come to you without your permission, like that. So as I'm into the public in my business also, and even as a leader also. But I keep maintaining my distance, keep wearing my mask, and keep maintaining distance from the public. And whosoever comes to my studio, first thing I make them to sanitize their hand. And we every day sanitize our studio with sanitizer. So I request all the shop people and mall people to sanitize their that building every day, and even the residential buildings, please sanitize every day. Lift is most important thing. Morning and evening it should be done. Lift, and mm, after that, uh, maintaining distance is the main most important thing. Even being in the building also, like I don't know next door to me where they have gone and whom they met, so it's better don't meet them for some days. Be
Okay.
at your home. If you are missing that person, we have all these facilities. We can have video chat, we can talk to them and all. And people are just saying, till how long I should be there at home. We have so many work to do at home, so many work. They can keep themselves busy with so many work, taking care of their household things. And because nowhere helpers are allowed, so we only have to do everything. So we don't have time only to think of anything because we are so busy. So like I just request them to keep themselves busy, the elder people and youngsters. I request them take all the safety precaution and come out and help your society. That is very much needed, because so many people, even I get the call, they have not eaten from so long. So I send it. I'm not going now. I'm sending it.
Okay,
I'm
good
taking
thing.
care of their need. Yeah, I'm taking care of their need, whatever way. And rest hospital and doctors too, that is like, day and night it's going on, arranging the beds and oxygen. Then the, you know, I request even hospital people understand the situation of the country, understand the situation of the public. Do not overcharge. They are charging very high, very high. So I request them not to do that. That's it's the need of the hour. They also, like, see, you are doing free of cost everything. I'm doing free of cost everything. So they do in the normal price. Their charges are so high. I have seen people, they are holding their land documents in the hospitals, and they're saying you keep this, but you give treatment to the my person. And even in some hospitals, there is no nurse in the ICU. That's very bad. If they don't have nurse in the ICU throughout of the day, then why that is ICU? The oxygens are over. Nobody is there to look at. That's the reason so many people are dying. And I had personal interaction with my few of the friends who lost their own family members. How it has happened, when I have asked, I came to know all these facts. So I request all the hospital people, please treat them as your own family member and do not charge them, because they also don't have from where they will pay.
Okay, thank you for your sweet and valuable message to everyone. and you can give this challenge to two of your friends.
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you so much for joining with her. Thank you for giving your valuable time, and be safe and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.